Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to guide you through the process of creating your own vision board on Canva. So, let's dive right in and start creating. First things first, open up Canva on your computer. Let's get started on making our vision board. Click on Create a Design and select a custom size that suits your vision board preferences. Next, let's add a background to set the tone for your vision board. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, or even upload an inspirational image that resonates with your goals. Get creative. Now, the fun part. Click on the Elements tab and explore the vast library of images and clip art Canva has to offer. Now search for grids. Now let's create. Wait and see. Time to add some space and adjustment. Arrange and organize your elements until you're satisfied with the layout. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different placements. This is your vision, after all. Now let's add your photos. Wait and see. Feel free to explore additional elements like stickers, icons, or even personal photos. You can resize, rotate, and customize each element to make your vision board truly unique. Now let's check my vision board. There you have it. That's how you can easily create a vision board on Canva. I hope this tutorial inspires you to visualize your dreams and work towards making them a reality. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.